Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Killy Willy from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. To draw this awesome character, let's first start by drawing all its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw one big circle right in the center. So there's a total of 5 eyes, right? I think they're eyes. Hopefully they're eyes. But there's 5 circles that we need to draw. So one right in the center. We're going to come right next to it, about right here, a little bit higher. And draw another one, not so big, just slightly smaller. Come right across on the other side as well. We're going to do the same thing. And then 2 smaller ones right in between, about right here. And one more right here. There, so we have these eyes, and now to draw this really big mouth. So right in the center, we're going to come down, say about right here. I'll give myself a point right in the center, and I'm going to start to draw a curve coming down, and I'm going to go past this eye. So I want to make this really big. So about right here, and I'm going to start to round it off. So same thing on the other side. Past that eye, and then round it off, nice big mouth. And then at the bottom right here, we're going to wobble a little bit, go in and then out, and then in and then out, to create this shape right here. And then now to draw in all the details, let's come about right here towards the bottom, and I'm just going to follow the bottom curves that I've created. Right there, and then I'm going to come right here on the side, and I'm going to draw a really big tooth. So right here, I'm going to go up past this curve right here, and then come right back down. So I will need to go in there and erase that line right there, but I wanted to draw this shape first. It's just much easier. So if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and erase that. So same thing over here, go up to create that big tooth. Then from there we can go ahead and finish it off. So just go around, and we're just going to start to draw the top and follow our curve. There. Then from there we can start to draw all the teeth inside. So I'm going to come to the top right here. It's all up to you how many you want to draw, but there's a lot of them. And I'm just going to go fill in this space right here, and then the bottom as well. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's start to draw the head, frame in the head. So I'm going to find my center again, go straight up to say about right here, not too high, just about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a big curve. So I'm just going to use this as my guide. I'm going to start to draw a big wide curve right on top, and then I'm going to bring this up. So it's easier for my hand. So say about right here. It's easier for my hand to draw downward since I can't turn my paper. So go up and go up. So nice and high. This big curve right at the top. And then we're going to come down, and we're just going to start to zigzag because it's a furry creature, and we're going to bring it down to about right here. So just keep that in mind, about right there. And zigzag and bring it in. So it's still kind of like a triangular shaped head, just like Huggy Wuggy. So same thing over here. And one more, and bring it down. There. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come in right here underneath the mouth and give myself 2 points. And I'm going to draw this at a slight angle and bring it in. About right there. And then from there, I'm going to bring this out and start to curve it out a little bit. So we need to draw the legs. So I'm just imagining this is the whole chest area. So about right here in the center, I'll just give myself a curve right here in the center. So we have this whole chest area. Then from there, let's we can start the legs. So let's come about right here. I'm gonna bring this out. Let's work on this side first. So bring this out, and about right here, I'm gonna zigzag a little bit for some fur. And then bring this in, so it's a little bit thinner as it comes out. And then from there, I'm gonna start to come down, nice and wide. So it's kind of like squatting. So about right there, I'm gonna go ahead and round this off and connect. Then for the feet, let's see here, what's the easier ways. I'm gonna come out with a curve and just draw 3 curves at the bottom and then in, and then you come in here, 2 curves to finish it off. So same thing over here. So I'm going to come out to about the same area on the other side, about right here. And once again, a little bit thinner and then out. And nice and wide about right here. And connect. And then once again, we're going to do the same thing. So curve, 2 more curves, and then connect with a curve, and then just come in here with 2 curves. From there, let's go ahead and draw the shoulders and the arms. So about right here in this area, I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve that comes down. And this is going to be the furry shoulders. So I'm just going to zigzag and bring it right into the mouth area right here. So then let's come out. We're going to draw the hands. So come out right here. We're going to put it all in this area right here. So it's thin, just like the legs right here. And then about in this area, same thing. We're just going to zigzag a little bit for some fur. And then bring this down. And since I know there's these little round things I want to draw, I'm just going to come right here and draw it first. A bigger one right here. But if you're using a pencil, just finish off the shape. So about right here. It's a little bit wider and round it off. And then there's a smaller one right here. And in the center is a dot. And then the claws. So right here. And 2 more. There. So let's do the same thing on this side. So I'm just going to drag this point across about right here. And we're going to do the same thing. Just zigzag some fur right all the way back. And then before I forget, he's kind of humped. So make sure we're going to draw a little curve right here. This is imagining, this is continuing. This is continuing. So about right here, just draw this little hump right here. There. Okay, so now let's draw the arms again, just like the other side. So go down about right here. And then same thing. So about right here, we're going to come down and then zigzag a little bit. And then once again, come down at an angle. And here, and then I'm going to start to draw those brown shapes. Now that I'm looking at my camera, I think this one's a little bit smaller. So let's make it a little bit bigger. There. Okay, and then some claws, just like the other side. So right here, the thumb, and 1 more. There. So fun, right? It is pretty cool to draw these monsters. and then a smaller one right there. And then for really cool detail on Killy Willy here is this right here in the center. I'm just going to come about right here and give myself 2 points. Because he's not creepy enough, we need to make it creepier, right? So we have to add this big mouth right here in his chest tummy area. So I'm going to make it really big. So about right there, I'm creating these 2 curves that connect. And let's come in here and draw some teeth. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Killy Willy here turned out and that I was able to help you draw him fun and easy. And if you love Poppy Playtime, please check out my Poppy Playtime playlist for all the other characters I've drawn so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.